Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The McLaren 750S represents the pinnacle of British engineering and supercar evolution, blending breathtaking performance, aerodynamic precision, and pure driving emotion into one masterpiece. It's not just a car, it's a statement of what happens when speed, design, and innovation converge. From the moment you lay eyes on the 750S, it's clear that this machine was sculpted with purpose. Every curve, vent, and crease in its carbon fiber body serves a role in aerodynamics and cooling. The front end looks razor-sharp, with its signature McLaren headlights integrated into aerodynamic channels that guide air efficiently around the car. The low, wide stance exudes dominance, while the flowing lines from the nose to the tail give it an unmistakably predatory posture. It's lighter, faster, and sharper than its predecessor, the 720S, carrying forward its DNA but refined in every conceivable way. The dihedral doors open upward with a flourish, revealing the artistry of modern engineering, a moment that never fails to captivate onlookers. The 750S is an evolution, not a revolution, but it's one that pushes McLaren's road cars to the absolute edge of performance. Underneath its sculpted shell lies the beating heart of the beast. 8T 4.0 lighter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers a staggering 740 horsepower, 750 PS, and 590 lb-ft of torque. This power plant is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts faster than the blink of an eye, offering seamless power delivery and ferocious acceleration. The numbers alone tell part of the story: 0 to 60 mph in just 2.7 seconds. 0 to 124 mph in 7.2 seconds, and a top speed that brushes 206 mph. But the true magic of the 750S isn't just in its straight-line performance, it's in how it feels. The throttle response is instant, the turbo lag almost non-existent, and the surge of power continuous and intoxicating. Every gear change feels like a jolt of adrenaline, each shift punctuated by the roar and crackle of the exhaust. McLaren has fine-tuned the sound to create an experience that's not just fast, but visceral. The titanium exhaust system sings a distinctive note that rises from a deep growl to a screaming wail as the revs climb. It's a sound that captures the essence of speed, a symphony of combustion, precision, and fury. The chassis of the McLaren 750S is built around the brand's signature Monocage 2 carbon fiber monocoque, providing exceptional rigidity and lightness. This structure forms the backbone of the car, contributing to its curb weight of just 2,815 pounds, making it one of the lightest supercars in its class. Every component is designed with weight savings in mind, from the forged alloy wheels to the carbon fiber racing seats and suspension components. The car's aerodynamics are equally impressive, featuring an active rear wing that adjusts in real time to optimize downforce or reduce drag depending on driving conditions. Air is guided through every surface and duct, ensuring maximum efficiency and stability at high speeds. McLaren's engineers focused on achieving perfect balance, delivering a car that feels as planted at 200 mph as it does carving through tight corners on a mountain road. The suspension system, known as Proactive Chassis Control 3, uses hydraulically linked dampers to continuously adapt to the road surface and driver inputs, blending comfort and precision in a way that feels almost otherworldly. Whether you're gliding through city streets or pushing the car to its limits on a racetrack, the 750S feels composed, agile, and telepathically responsive. The steering, as expected from McLaren, is a masterpiece of hydraulic precision. In a world where most supercars have transitioned to electric power steering, McLaren remains loyal to a hydraulic system, giving the driver a level of feedback that is unmatched. Every turn of the wheel communicates the texture of the road, the grip of the tires, and the behavior of the car in real time. It's an experience that connects you to the road on a deeply mechanical level. The braking system is equally awe-inspiring. Carbon ceramic brakes with 6-piston calipers provide immense stopping power and incredible modulation. The brakes are derived from McLaren's track experience, ensuring fade-free performance and precise control even under the harshest conditions. Together, the steering, suspension, and braking systems create an experience that's pure and immersive, making the 750S one of the most engaging driver's cars ever built. Inside, The McLaren 750S perfectly balances race-inspired minimalism with luxurious craftsmanship. The interior is built around the driver, with every control and display positioned for maximum usability and focus. The cockpit features a new digital display that tilts with the steering column, ensuring optimal visibility in every driving position. The steering wheel itself remains free from buttons and distractions, a deliberate design choice that prioritizes driving purity. The seats are crafted from lightweight carbon fiber and wrapped in fine leather or alcantara, offering both support and comfort. Despite its track-oriented nature, the cabin feels refined and tailored, featuring high-quality materials, precise stitching, and customizable trims. The infotainment system has been improved for the 700 phase, offering faster processing, clearer graphics, and intuitive controls through a vertical touchscreen interface. It provides navigation, media, and telemetry functions, allowing drivers to analyze lap times, G-forces, and performance data. Optional features like a premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system add an extra layer of sophistication, though the real soundtrack you'll crave is the engine behind your ears. Storage space is minimal, as expected from a supercar, but practicality takes a back seat to performance in this world. On the open road, the McLaren 750S is both a scalpel and a missile. It delivers brutal acceleration yet remains composed, capable of tackling high-speed corners with poise and confidence. The balance between grip and playfulness is exquisite. The car feels alive beneath you, eager to respond to every input yet forgiving enough to inspire confidence. Engage track mode, and the suspension stiffens, the throttle sharpens, and the exhaust opens up, transforming the car into a precision weapon. Yet in comfort mode, it's surprisingly livable, able to cruise smoothly thanks to its adaptive suspension and ergonomic interior. The gearbox shifts effortlessly, and visibility is better than most supercars, making it usable even in everyday scenarios. McLaren has managed to create a machine that transcends the traditional compromises of performance cars. It's thrilling when you want it to be, and civilized when you need it to be. Every element of the McLaren 750S is crafted to deliver one thing: pure, unfiltered driving pleasure. It's not burdened by excessive electronics or artificial enhancements. Instead, it relies on mechanical purity, advanced engineering, and the skill of its driver. It's a car that demands respect but rewards mastery. The connection between human and machine feels seamless, as though the 750S reads your thoughts and translates them into motion.